All right, you guys, on today's episode, we're gonna be making pineapple jackfruit tacos. What? Because my amazing friend Jerry is here, and you guys have asked for vegan recipes, so I'm bringing it to you. Jerry, are you ready?
Yes, thank you, finally.
Finally?
I've been waiting on this.
What are you talking about? It's
waiting
here.
on this. Thank you.
It's here. All right, are you guys ready? Let's get started. All right, so right now I have the jackfruit, which has been marinating in Cindy cinnamon apple barbecue sauce. We have onions, red bell peppers, tomatoes, and green bell peppers. We also have pineapple, because it's pineapple tacos, cilantro, lemon, and corn tortilla. So the jackfruit is here. I want you to start breaking these up into little pieces. This simulates the texture of meat, but it's not meat. So like for vegetarians and vegans, however big or small you want it. So you're just gonna break it up. See what I mean? Like that.
No technique.
No technique.
Okay, this good? Okay.
Just break it up however you want. Do like a few pieces, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So here, I'm gonna leave you to that. That's your job.
Like a little kid over here.
You're gonna look like this is cooking with Carlina. You're not doing this by yourself. You know what I mean? Jerry's gonna continue doing that, and then we're gonna head over to the stove. All right, you guys, so we are now at the stove. We're gonna add some onions to start with our jackfruit tacos. Look at that, you see that,
Sizzle.
Jerry? It's just like sizzling. You hear that? You hear that? The mic is picking it up.
Do you hear how?
Do you hear the sizzle? Now I want you to add those red bell peppers to it. Yes,
good?
like that, like that.
How many? Is that good?
That's good. You know what? This is for you. How much you want in there?
I like my red.
Okay, cool.
Put that in there.
So we're gonna add some green bell peppers.
That's good.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh man.
Turn this down a little. Look at that. The color. And then we're gonna add some tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Okay.
And then I'll do that. And then you go get your jackfruit. Get your jackfruit.
Oh. Hey, I killed it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I killed it.
That looks good, actually. Yep. Okay, go ahead and add that in with your hand. Yep, there you go. And then I'm gonna grab, ooh, yeah, add some more. This is the meat part. Okay. This is the meat part. You gotta like spread it around too, like this. Look at that.
Oh my God.
See how it looks like meat? Look at that.
That's crazy. Y'all trying to trick people.
And then we're gonna add some, I'm gonna have you add some pineapple to it, because I wanna make sure, here, add the pineapple, a little bit of pineapple to it. I'm gonna add some water. Make sure it stays like, you know.
So what does the water do?
It helps it not stick to the bottom of the pan when you cook it. Yep. So go ahead. Okay. And mix it around. Yeah, you add lots of pineapple. Oh, that's good. That's
okay.
Good. I think you need
it's like a little sweet little.
Look at that, right?
Whatever that barbecue sauce is.
And you gonna like let it sizzle for about like 10 to 15 minutes. We're on a gas stove, so it's gonna cook like a little bit faster, probably like 10 minutes, but if you're on electric, you want it to be like 15, 20. They cook a little bit slower on there. So here, you're cooking.
Oh, wait.
Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mix it around.
Is it like a whip? Like a...
Yes, it's like a, yes. You wanna like make sure, you know, you're spreading it all the way around, right? Okay. So we're gonna turn up the heat like a little bit.
Okay. Am I doing it? Grandma, you see me? I'm doing it.
Yeah, look at that. So like how you're gonna know it's done is your vegetables are gonna start turning like a little brown, you know what I mean? Like a little crispy and stuff like that. Yes.
Crisp brown. Did you catch that? Crisp
brown. You want it to be crispy and brown.
No, that wouldn't.
But not salty. Okay, cool. Oh, Jerry, it looks like it's almost done. Yeah. So we're gonna add some final spices. I have some parsley here. I'm gonna add it and you just keep mixing it through.
That's what teamwork looks like.
That's teamwork,
That's
people.
Teamwork right there, yeah.
And then I have some garlic salt. Boom, boom, boom. And then we have some basil. Look at that.
So is it just like...
This is extra flavoring, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You gotta make it taste good, like an actual taco, like taco seasoning, you know?
So you just do it by eye, or is there like a
You do it by eye. I always say, you know, if it's a container like this, 2 shakes, like boom, boom.
Swat, yes. Okay.
Like, here, you wanna practice real quick?
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Just like that.
Like 2 shakes, yes.
Okay,
like
that was fun.
I don't know, you gotta look a little bit more relaxed. Like, I don't know what's happening here.
Okay.
Like, no.
All right.
Here you go. Yes. Yes.
Is that good?
That's good. That's good. There we go. There we go. Now we have like maybe like 6 shakes of basil in there, but you know, it's gonna taste really basil-y. It works. It works. All right. So I think we're done here. We're gonna head over to, you know, the counter and start building these tacos together.
Let's do it.
All right, Jared, we just made some fantastic tacos. Look at that.
Killed it.
Look at that meat.
Nailed it.
Jackfruit, you killed it.
That was an us thing.
We did kill it because I created the recipe and then you cooked. So it's a tag team thing we got going on here right now. But you know, I'm a little tired.
Yeah,
I can't really stand this, right?
My left kneecap.
Cooking's a lot of work, so I think we need stools. Can we bring those in, please?
We get stools?
Yes! Look at that!
Thank you. Thank you.
Down. Bam! So much work. You feel better, right?
Yes.
You gotta take a break, because then you like pass out and you won't be able to eat your food.
Yeah. Can we eat this?
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so I have the corn tortilla here, so you're gonna put your jackfruit in there. Look at that. Your jackfruit mix with like the green and red bell peppers. I'm like watching like I want mine.
It's still on fire too.
It's still hot, right?
This is gonna be so good.
It's gonna be so good.
I'm sorry y'all can't taste this, but
they can. You guys can taste it because we're gonna post the recipes up on my website.
Yeah, but
www.cookingwithcarlina.com.
But you can't taste this one though.
You can't.
This is a special one.
This is a special one.
Okay.
Add you're just gonna squeeze some lemon juice on there like that. Look at that.
Oh.
And then put your cilantro on there.
I'm so happy.
Put your cilantro on there.
Okay. Cool.
There you go. Do you want any fresh pineapples on top of it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Mine as well.
Okay, no, this is yours. I'm letting you put as much as you want.
This is one more for the money. Right.
One more for the money. Okay, all right, Jerry.
Okay, is this it?
This is
the
it.
Moment of truth?
This is the moment of truth. Let's see what's happening. The
All right.
vegan is trying it. Let's do this. This is great. Tacos are so messy. It's okay. This is like a family-friendly food, but I want him to describe the flavors he's experiencing right now. Are you in heaven? Like, what is happening? What is happening?
Oh my god. The flavor just like punched me in the mouth.
It punched you in the mouth?
Yeah.
I've never heard anybody. So, okay, wait. Describe to me what you're tasting.
The balance of like the pineapple with the sweet, with the cinnamon apple barbecue sauce tang, with the jackfruit flavor.
Yeah.
With the lemon, like, y'all.
Is it vegan approved?
It's everything approved. I don't know what a human wouldn't approve. What this is right here, I'm just going.
No, okay, so while Jerry finishes this up, look, I'm gonna make me some later. My little taco right here. Go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com. Comment below. For those of you, you've been commenting, I want you to do a vegan recipe. Look, we did. So if there's any other recipe ideas that you guys have, comment below. And check me out on Instagram at Cooking with Carlina. We'll see you guys there. Jerry, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. Look at this. Y'all check it out. Y'all, man.
Oh
Every time you have vegan recipes, just let me know.
We'll bring Jerry back. I mean, I think we have a few more recipes to cook with him anyway. All right, stay tuned. Bye, guys.